Intermittent fasting is everywhere, but what if its biggest health benefits only kick in after you eat again? You need to hear this now before your next meal. New insights reveal that intermittent fasting's most significant health advantages don't happen during the fasting window, but after you start eating again. According to recent coverage by Fox News, the body's response to food intake after a fast triggers key metabolic and cellular repair processes. This challenges the common belief that the fasting period alone drives health benefits, highlighting the importance of what you eat and how your body reacts once you break the fast. When you begin eating after a fast, your body undergoes a metabolic reset. This phase enhances insulin sensitivity, which means your body uses sugar more efficiently. It also ramps up fat burning and supports cellular repair mechanisms. These effects are critical for weight management and reducing risks of diabetes and other metabolic diseases. Companies like Virta Health have emphasized this metabolic shift as a core benefit of intermittent fasting, backed by clinical studies showing reversal of type 2 diabetes symptoms. Beyond metabolism, the refeeding period activates autophagy, the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. This process, stimulated once you start eating again, is linked to increased longevity and reduced inflammation. Research has shown that autophagy peaks not during the fast but shortly after refeeding, making the post-fast diet crucial in maximizing intermittent fasting benefits. Individuals with metabolic syndrome or insulin resistance experience pronounced benefits from the refeeding phase. Studies highlight that improving insulin function after fasting significantly lowers blood sugar spikes and reduces fat storage. This means intermittent fasting combined with mindful eating afterward can be a powerful tool for millions struggling with metabolic health issues, making the timing and quality of post-fast meals essential. Experts recommend focusing on nutrient-dense foods when you break your fast. Protein and healthy fats are key because they sustain energy, promote muscle repair, and support the metabolic reset. Avoiding processed sugars and refined carbs right after fasting helps maintain stable blood sugar and prolongs fat burning. Companies specializing in personalized nutrition, like Noom, stress the importance of this eating window to lock in intermittent fasting's health gains. The future of intermittent fasting is moving toward personalized refeeding plans that consider individual metabolism, genetics, and lifestyle. Researchers and companies are developing apps and services that tailor what and when you eat after fasting to optimize benefits. This shift underscores the urgency to rethink fasting not just as calorie restriction, but as a cycle of fasting and strategic eating for long-term health. What this means for you is simple but powerful. Intermittent fasting isn't just about skipping meals, it's about how you fuel your body right after. Paying attention to your post-fast meals can unlock better metabolism, cellular repair, and long-term health. So next time you fast, plan your first meal carefully. For more cutting-edge health insights, hit subscribe and stay ahead of the trends.